Hi, I'm Tami Daley, and it is my absolute pleasure to provide a testimonial for Corine Lafont. Working with Corine was such a gift. She hosted my workshop recently, and she did so with such warmth, professionalism, and genuine care that I was completely blown away. Her presence made the experience feel seamless, grounded, and elevated. The transitions were smooth, the audience engagement was on point. Corey knew exactly when to step back and allow the moment to breathe. And it was evident too that she had done her homework. Like she did the research to ensure that she was connected with the topic. She read the book that I was attempting to launch via this event. And I want to say that as the speaker, I felt absolutely supported. I would gladly work with Corine again, and I highly recommend her services to anyone looking for a host who truly understands how to hold space.